Hey everybody, this is Carla. My channel is Living a Rogue Life. Thank you for stopping by. This is my official entry video into SHEDWARS22 Northern Hemisphere. Last year I had the opportunity to be part of the Will It Grow team, and it was a very big learning curve. I learned a lot gardening wise, but I also learned a lot about myself, my limitations, and how to re-strategize to be more successful this year. So that's what I'm going to be doing this year. Everything I grow is in containers. This is my container garden behind me. I've got buckets and tubs and pots and towers, and then I've got 3 raised beds, and then I've got 4 dogs. I've got chickens. I raise quail, and I have probably 3 or 4 beds out front that are more in ground. But I'm looking forward to competing. I'm looking forward to sharing knowledge. I'm looking forward to learning. And I'm just looking forward to the community because it's an awesome group of people. And I want to thank everyone who I've met through SHEDWARS 2021 and look forward to the competition in SHEDWARS 2022. Thanks. Peace out.